welcome to my channel. Today, we're excited to bring you an in-depth look at the all-new 2025 Hyundai Palisade. This luxurious SUV has been making waves in the automotive world, and we're here to show you why. From its sleek design to its impressive features and capabilities, let's dive in and explore what the Palisade has to offer. The 2025 Palisade boasts a bold and sophisticated exterior, with a redesigned grille, LED headlights, and a sleek, aerodynamic body. Inside, you'll find a luxurious cabin with premium materials, ample cargo space, and seating for up to 8 passengers. Enjoy the latest tech features like a 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless charging, and a 360-degree camera system. Under the hood, the Palisade packs a punch with its 3.8L V6 engine, producing 291 horsepower and 262 lb-ft of torque. With its smooth-shifting 8-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive, this SUV is ready for any adventure. Plus, with its impressive towing capacity and advanced safety features, you can drive with confidence. The Palisade's interior is designed with comfort and convenience in mind. Enjoy heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a premium audio system. With its spacious cargo area and flexible seating configurations, this SUV is perfect for family road trips or daily commutes. That's a wrap on the 2025 Hyundai Palisade. With its stunning design, impressive features, and capable performance, this SUV is sure to impress. Whether you're a family on the go or an adventure seeker, the Palisade has something for everyone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive content.